A strong storm, called Justine, has been moving over the territory of Western Europe since January 30. Its path runs through the south of Ireland, South Wales, England, Great Britain, France and the north of Spain. The wind speed of the storm exceeds 100 km per hour. Its maximum value -137 km per hour was recorded on the northern coast of Spain and in the southwestern part of France. The height of the waves reached 15 meters. Some of the devastating effects of Justine are presented below. By January 31st, the wind caused a lot of problems in the city of Biarritz, southwestern France. The wind whipped up the sea foam very strongly and carried it to the embankment and nearby streets. Special equipment was needed to clean that area.